Hi, this is Michael, and today a short video on how you can change the setting of your intelligent warming plate on your Ninja hot and cold brewing machine. Now, if you're like, what? Oh, really? Oh. Sorry, my window shades weren't even, and I just had to correct that. Okay, back to the task at hand here. I am going to show you how to change the settings on your intelligent warming plate on your Ninja hot and cold brewer. This is the CP301 model that I have, and I lost this. I misplaced the user guide. You probably threw yours out or put it in a drawer somewhere just like I did. And you have no idea. Maybe you never even knew you could adjust it because you didn't read the manual. I don't know, whatever the case may be, I am going to solve your problem. So by default, when you brew either a half pot or a full pot of coffee, the Ninja is going to automatically turn on the intelligent warming plate. It's going to stay on for 2 hours, and it's going to be at the high temperature. Did you even know that you could change the temperature? It has a high temperature and a low temperature setting. Now, over time, why is it called intelligent? Because over time, it gradually reduces the temperature of that warming plate so you don't burn the coffee. But like I said, the default amount of time that it's on is 2 hours. That is never enough time for us. It seems like the warming plate is always going off before we've finished our pot of coffee, and it would be nice if I could extend that to like 3 or 4 hours. Well, you can, and here's how you do it. So right below the clock display on the CP301 is a button that says Stay Warm. Now, if you've just made a pot or a half pot of coffee or tea, that light should be on because it's automatically going to go on unless you've changed the setting previously. So to change the setting, just press and hold that Stay Warm button. The display is going to change from clock to a timer, and in my case it says 2 hours and 30 minutes, and then it switches and says high. So that means it's going to stay on for 2 hours and 30 minutes at the high temperature. Now if I want to change that to 4 hours, I want to push the Stay Warm button, and then I can use the minutes, and it changes in 15-minute increments, and the hour button to change that to 4 hours. And then when it switches to high, again, press the hour or the minute to change it to low. And then just let that time out, or you can push the Stay Warm button once again, and that'll retain your new setting. Now, also, in case you hadn't noticed, there is an LED at the bottom of the warming plate that is illuminated, and that will stay illuminated even though the plate has shut off because the plate is still going to be warm. So not only is it letting you know that the warming plate is actually on, but it's also going to let you know that when the plate shuts off that it is still warm. Eventually that will turn off once the plate gets down to a lower temperature. So there you go. Now you can change the length of time that the warming plate is on and the temperature. And maybe you're asking, well, what is the temperature? Excellent question. I used my digital thermometer and I measured the temperature at low, and it was 177 degrees. And at the high setting, it was about 183 degrees. So the high temperature is going to keep it a little bit hotter, and the low temperature for my taste actually is hot enough. And I usually keep mine at the low setting. So there you have it. I hope this helps you out, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks a lot for watching.